Mike and Sandy are looking for a solution that can satisfy their data needs. They choose ParStream, the fastest database for real-time analytics. ParStream offers big data storage, sub-second response time, and flexible querying for their dynamic needs. Additionally, it's easy to use, giving Mike and Sandy more time to focus on gaining actionable insights from their data. As an example, let's take a closer look at how easy it is to install ParStream. We can get ParStream up and running very quickly. Install the ParStream binary followed by the license key. And now you can see that the server installation is complete. This is the table definition for an address book application. This table is distributed over all 3 nodes of the cluster. In the cluster configuration file, specify the unique cluster name. Also, define the import node. Here the data is being imported. Start the 3 server nodes. And now the cluster is ready for importing data. Go ahead and import the data. And now you are ready to start querying.